Right now, your capital feels stuck, like it's working against you, not for you. You know the pain, endless meetings that lead nowhere, deals that look promising but bleed time and energy, investments that barely move the needle. It's burning your patience and killing your trust in the old ways. You see the world shifting, fast, brutal, unforgiving, and yet your assets move like they're shackled to safety nets designed by yesterday's rules. That frustration, that anger, it's justified. It's the plain truth no one wants to say out loud. The traditional ways of investing, of managing wealth, are collapsing under their own weight. They whisper promises, but deliver illusions. Here's what actually happens. Capital, locked in silos and spread thin through countless deals, ends up wasted, fragmented, and vulnerable. It dilutes your power. It scatters your vision. Your network feels big, but it's shallow. Your partners are familiar, but limited. Your opportunities? Narrow. And yet your ambition could build empires, if only your capital could work the way it's supposed to. But it's not about throwing more money at the problem. That's the trap. The secret, buried deep under layers of old-school finance, is capital synergy. Not aggregation, not mere diversification, but a fierce, deliberate fusion of talents, resources, and visions, where every piece fuels the others, igniting exponential impact. Forget what they teach you about spreading risk evenly or keeping liquidity. Those are the chains. Synergy breaks them. Imagine your capital not as isolated streams, but as a raging, unified river, each part pushing the next harder, faster, smarter. You link your investments not by accident, but by intention. Founders connected directly to true believers, investors pooling not just money, but wisdom and influence, professionals moving as one unstoppable force. It's raw power born from ruthless alignment. This is not crowdfunding. It's not passive fund management. It is a new kind of network, a living organism of capital and talent that crushes inefficiency and leaves mediocrity starving. You don't wait for external validation. You build your own ecosystem, the one that finally reflects your vision, your ferocious hunger for more. This is the future because old structures die. Because the elders of finance will always accept the status quo. But you refuse to be comfortable. You demand fluid, dynamic capital that moves with you, adapts instantly, and carves new pathways where none existed before. Act now. Strip your portfolio of dead weight. Connect with founders who refuse to compromise. Not just startups, but game changers with skin in the game and fire in their souls. Hunt partners who lead with open eyes and steel guts, not just polite handshakes. Build platforms where capital meets vision in relentless pursuit, not just lip service. Every dollar held in isolation leaks potential. Every alliance forged properly magnifies it tenfold. You are not just an investor, you are a catalyst. Feel that rage against wasted opportunity? That hunger for tangible growth? Channel it. Use it to tear down the old walls that trap capital in silos and transform your approach from passive spectator to dynamic orchestrator. Make synergy your weapon. Replace scattered bets with unbreakable coalitions. This is not a gamble. It's strategy evolved. Capital synergy means controlling your fate, crafting your own markets, and rewriting the rules that once bound you. It means answering the call to build a network so fierce, so sharp, so interconnected that no challenge is too big. And remember, this path is not for the faint-hearted. It demands ruthless clarity, brutal honesty about who to join forces with and where to place your bets. But for those who dare, it offers freedom from the old system's chokehold and a chance to shape a future built by the few who truly understand the game. So refuse mediocrity, reject isolation, embrace the raw, wild potential of capital synergy. It's your future, burning bright beyond the fake lines and illusions the world tries to trap you in. Take it, now.